Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix earphone connection and headphone jack problem in your device Samsung A3 Core. So if you're facing any kind of earphone connection or headphone jack problem in your device Samsung A3 Core, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix earphone connection and headphone jack problem.